Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the world premiere of the Volkswagen ID.3 Neo. It's not just a facelift, it's a new name, a new design, a new interior, and new technologies. Volkswagen is calling this the next chapter in their EV journey, so let's dive into what makes the ID.3 Neo stand out. Exterior and design. The ID.3 Neo introduces a sharper, more modern front end. You'll notice the full-width light strip and illuminated VW logo, giving it a futuristic look. The roof, spoiler, and boot lid are now painted in body color, creating a flatter, longer appearance. Overall, the design feels more premium and cohesive compared to the first-generation ID.3, which often faced criticism for looking too basic. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you'll immediately see the difference. Volkswagen has completely redesigned the cockpit with higher quality materials. The infotainment system has been updated for faster response and a cleaner layout, making it more intuitive to use. Ambient lighting, improved seating comfort, and a more refined finish elevate the cabin to a level that feels closer to premium rivals. This is VW's answer to customer feedback, moving away from the plasticky feel of the old ID.3. Performance and range. The ID.3 Neo comes with multiple battery options, offering flexibility depending on your budget and driving needs. Range has been significantly improved, now reaching up to 630 km WLTP on the largest battery pack. The drivetrains have been refined for smoother power delivery, making everyday driving more comfortable and efficient. This puts the ID.3 Neo in direct competition with the Tesla Model 3 and Hyundai Ioniq 6 in terms of range. Technology and safety. Volkswagen has packed the Neo with new tech. Connected Travel Assist now includes automatic traffic light recognition, helping drivers anticipate stops and starts. Driver assistance features have been expanded, offering semi-autonomous capabilities for highway driving. Over-the-air updates ensure the car stays current, with software improvements delivered directly to the vehicle. This is a big step forward from the first ID.3, which often lagged behind in tech compared to rivals. Market launch and positioning. The ID.3 Neo had its world premiere in April 2026, with pre-sales starting mid-April and deliveries planned for July. Volkswagen is positioning this as the refined successor to the original ID.3, aiming to win back customers who demanded more quality and innovation. It's clear VW wants the Neo to be the benchmark compact EV in Europe. Comparison with previous. Compared to the first ID.3, the Neo offers more range, a sharper design, and a far more premium interior. The old ID.3 was criticized for cheap materials and clunky software. The Neo directly addresses those issues. This isn't just a refresh, it's a reset of VW's EV strategy. Verdict. So, here's the verdict: the Volkswagen ID.3 Neo is a major step forward. With its new design, premium interior, extended range, and advanced driver assist tech, it's a serious contender in the EV hatchback market. The question is, will it be enough to challenge Tesla and Hyundai? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more EV reviews and updates.